Hi friends, I am Priya Sharma. Today I am back with a very beautiful card having a see-through background. Though the design is intricate, this card is super easy to make. So let's quickly dive into the tutorial. All the supplies used for this card are listed in the description box below. For my card, I am trimming my ivory cardstock in the size 10 by 7 inches. Now using my scoreboard, I am scoring it at 5 inches. This makes a 5 by 7 inches side folding base card. Here's my die cutting machine. I will be die cutting a scallop circle which we will be using later on our card. As you can see, I have already die cut a background design using this metal die. Next, I have made a rectangular template to fit the background die cut. I am going to trace the lines on the card with this template to make a rectangular frame. Cut along the pencil lines using your craft knife. As you can see, the background die fits perfectly in the frame. Apply glue on the edges of the background die cut and stick it on the rectangular frame. Adhere the die cut nicely onto your card. I am now stamping the thank you sentiment on the scallop die cut that we made earlier. The thank you sentiment is from the Tubby Craft sentiment stamp. Here I am using the Archival black ink for stamping. Now let's embellish the card. I will use some roses and leaves for embellishing the card. I am using my hot glue gun to adhere the roses and leaves to my card. Now let's stick the sentiment die cut to complete our card. As you can see here, I also adhered some pink foil trims to enhance the look of my card. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can also take a look at my other videos linked at the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.